Di ba? Most assuredly, I say to you, unless one is born again, he cannot see the kingdom of God. So, kailangan ma-born again. And born again is not a religion.
Hindi ka naman nililimitahan ng Lord. Isa nga lang yung binabawal sa'yo minsan ng Lord, pero mas pinipili mo yung isang yun eh. Katraibang free will na binigay ng Lord ay may kaakibat na